Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve or turn off the Let's Finish Setting Up Your Device screen after installing new feature updates on your Windows 10 computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu, type in settings, best match, should come back with settings. Go ahead and open that up. Now you want to select the system tile. On the left side, you want to select notifications and actions. And then on the right side where it says show me the Windows welcome experience after updates, and occasionally when I sign in to highlight what's new and suggested, go ahead and uncheck that option. And that's about it. And you will need to restart your computer for the changes to take effect. And that's about it. So pretty straightforward process here, guys. Do hope I was able to help you out. And I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.